Hello everybody, this is Victoria Wild here at 2480 Roadrunner Road. This is a brand new listing that we just launched and I'm going to give you a home tour. This property has recently in the past few years been used as a vacation rental and it is hyper successful. So the last year's revenue is over 130,000. It is turnkey, ready to go for the next owners. Let me go ahead, I will flip you around and give you the tour as if you were here. All right, so we are here on Roadrunner, and here's the home that we are going to be exploring today together. And as you can tell, it's a very quiet, wonderful area here in West Sedona. I really love this neighborhood. It's just peaceful. There's no HOA, so you can do short-term rentals. And these owners on this particular home have taken exceptional care of the property. As an investment, it's a very easy, low maintenance home. You can see, landscaping wise, it's beautiful and there's some nice features to it, but it's not very intensive to maintain. So getting started here, the home is divided into a main home here and then garage plus casita up top. And we're going to explore all that together. We are going to do the home first and then we'll explore the rest. So really nice paver driveway here, stucco exterior, very low maintenance. And this property has, I want to say over 100 5-star reviews that you can look at on Airbnb, and then there's also tons of reviews on VRBO. Before I go into the main home, so this is the front door to the main home. This is the garage game room here that we will also explore together. But this is the backyard, which I feel like is a focal point as a rental. So many people come to Sedona to be outside and to connect with nature, and the owners of this property have really tricked this place out. You've got a great Trex decking here. This is a fire pit with chairs. We've got sauna, little nice astroturf here, beautiful landscaping, covered area. So here's the sauna. That's a great amenity for guests. People love health and wellness when they come to Sedona. That's a big part of why people like to travel here. I have to show you this brand new hot tub. This is literally brand new, only a couple weeks old at this time of this video. And so I'm just gonna flip this guy down here. So there's your beautiful hot tub, ready to go. So very private. We're gonna go ahead and go on in now. I know you wanna, I'll come back out and close that. We've got a grill here, outdoor dining. And this house, it's really, I think this may have locked. Let me put my code in, my secret code. It's very light and bright in here and extremely modern and fresh feeling. So as we come in, we have a nice separate laundry room area over here with an owner lockout. There are 2 bedrooms on the main home. So there's this main living space, and then I like to call them 2 primaries because they really do feel very equal in terms of the size and how nice each room is, but that would be the official primary, and then this would be the secondary primary, which all spills out onto this open space here. And again, you've got this great open concept, really nicely done kitchen, everything just feels light and bright. The name of this rental is the Prickly Pear, and look at how cute everything is. It's just so well done with so much love and intention. And I think that's why it has been such a successful rental, is it just, guests feel really taken care of here. So you've got newer appliances, really nice countertops, quartz countertops, butcher block island, great dining area, great living room. And I'm gonna come over here so you can see all the furniture as well, which does convey with the property. So you're kind of getting a built-in, I would say this is like designer level furniture. It's really well done and extremely put together. And again, that is something I think homes that are designed well with the furnishings do very well as short-term rentals because people want that curated experience. All right, so here's the primary. Primary. I just love all of the design and decor in here. Each room has their own little private patio with little seating and a great privacy bush there. And then we have really tall ceilings in here. I'm not sure, I'm trying to think about how, okay, so I'm 5'8". I want to say these are at least 10-foot ceilings. They may even be a little bit taller than that. So really nice, light and tall, big ceilings, lots of windows, like even here. You know, they could have just done these 2 windows on the side, and then I love these small architectural windows. Just makes the space kind of interesting and inviting. All right, so primary bathroom. We have a wonderful full tiled shower here. And a soaking tub, which is lovely. People actually really like these as for rentals. They like it for their kids. They like to just relax. There's some little bath products here. Really cute. And then we have a double sink vanity, which is a nice kind of, you know, makes the whole bathroom experience feel more luxurious when there are 2 sinks. And this great walk-in closet here with a skylight. I love it. It's just super light and bright and airy feeling. All right, and I'll go over to the secondary primary. That's what I'm going to call it. So here we have another very spacious room. I think the other room might be a tiny bit bigger, but this is, you know, these are both king beds here, and there's enough room for a desk and a little wet bar area. We also have the private patio, same as the other bedroom. Really nice. So you've got some nice privacy there. And then I'll go take you to the ensuite bathroom. And so again, we have a separate, I love it when this is separated and there's a door that separates the toilet. Hello. Again, with the double sink vanity, walk-in tile shower. It's really, really lovely. The tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. And then you also too, what I'll point out, you have nice lighting throughout the home. You know, it definitely feels like somebody came in here and they did very mindful, thoughtful light fixtures. And again, with the decor, it's just a really nice feel. What I think makes this home shine, I mean, it's a lot of things in terms of the rentability of it. I think that guests who come here, they feel like they all have their own private space because we have these 2 great bedrooms here. And then let me show you the Casita first, and then we'll do the game room second or last. Well, actually, we're here. Let me just pop in. Okay, the Casita, we're gonna go this way out and around. A very private entrance, which is really nice. But this garage is currently being used as this really awesome game room, which is a wonderful amenity. Again, the more amenities you can have in your rental, the more successful it's going to be. Great big, nice water heaters. I love it. And then over here, I believe there's an owner. Oh, no, the owner closet's in I already pointed that out, but you have great storage here. And then there is an electric car charger. So let me go over this way now. We'll show you the Casita. So you can access this the way I'm going. You can also access it through the backyard. There's this little gate right here. I guess we could have gone in that way. But this is the separate guest Casita. And so there are a lot of options. I mean, you could also live in the main house, rent out this unit, this Casita, which is sort of a loft studio. You're gonna see it's got great views, super light and bright again. So here, and this is a big space. I mean, you have everything you need here. So king size bed, a great sofa setup, little dining kitchenette area, and then I'm gonna show you the best part. You've got some really awesome Thunder Mountain views. So huge windows, very comfortable and inviting space. And I love the retro look with the turquoise we have going on. It's really cute. So again, this is ready to go. You just take over ownership. There are future bookings that transfer. That's a rolling basis depending on, when we get into escrow and everything. But I know for 2025, there's been $60,000 of bookings generated so far. And like I said, last year was just over 130,000. So really, really well done shower tile area. This is a massive shower. Great tile choice, really cute. I love the little gumball machine. So let me know if you have any questions or interest. This home is currently on the market. And in terms of the bang for buck and getting a short-term rental and turnkey, this is the hot commodity right now. So give me a call if you have any questions whatsoever. I am here to help. Again, thanks for sticking with me. This is Victoria with Sedona Luxury Homes. Talk soon.